Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am going to unbox the SUP Game Box Plus. This SUP Game Box Plus is small and portable, so you can take it anywhere and enjoy many hours of game playing fun. This SUP Game Box 400-in-1 is a handheld game console that you can also connect to a TV, so that you can easily enjoy vivid and exciting games on a large screen. Guys, let's start unboxing. Please watch this video till the end. This SUP Game Box is a handheld game console, resembling the Game Boy. You will enjoy playing many beautiful retro games with this SUP Game Box, such as Super Mario, Pac-Man, Pinball, and Ninja. With this SUP Game Box, you can easily plug in and play your favorite retro game. This user manual shows you how to properly and effectively use the SUP Game Box Plus and its important functions. And it contains easy-to-understand illustrations. This user manual is in English and provides you with step-by-step instructions. This AV cable for connecting the game console to your TV is color-coded, yellow for video, and red for audio, and it is about 150 centimeters. The portable SUP Game Box comes with a micro USB charging cable of about 50 centimeters long. This lithium battery is rechargeable with a capacity of 1,200 mAh and 6 hours of continuous gameplay. As you can see, this rechargeable lithium battery is a Nokia clone, the L5C battery. I will show you in this video how to correctly and effectively install this powerful, rechargeable lithium battery. This SUP Game Box is a digital game system with a 3-inch super wide LCD. As you can see, this game console is portable, slim, and trendy. Turn the volume control at the side of the unit to increase or decrease the volume. And use the power button to power the SUP Game Box device on and off. This portable SUP Game Box is affordable and cheerful, with 400 built-in games. Guys, let's now install the rechargeable lithium battery. Are you ready? After installing the rechargeable lithium battery, you can play your favorite retro games anywhere using this game console with the 3-inch super wide LCD, or you can play games on TV. Are you a retro games lover? Let's play the Super Mario video game. They say that Super Mario is the most famous plumber guy ever. Very beautiful video game. Guys, let's now play the Adventure Island video game. More and more retro games. What do you think? This game console comes with 400 video game titles. Some are repetitions, but most are unique games. In this video game, you are playing the role of Super Mario. You are going through the Mushroom Kingdom, surviving the many forces and saving the princess. Mario becomes a Super Mario if he eats a super mushroom. He grows to double his size and gains the power to break bricks above him. To win the game, Mario or Super Mario should reach the flagpole at the end of each level.